How to write Sephora product review. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to write Sephora product review. To write a Sephora product review, you just have to make sure to search for a product on the Sephora website or mobile app, scroll down for the ratings and review section, and just tap on write a review. So what you need is just open the product page. You could simply scroll down. There you have about the product, and you also have these SEL question and answer, ask questions about the product, rating and review, and there you have write a review. You could simply go ahead and give a nickname if you want to and select join and continue. After which you want to make sure to go ahead and add a heading. You could also add a photo if you have so, and this way you're supposed to write Sephora product review. You can be honest about it. You can upload photos, sample, whatever that comes to your mind and whatever that you feel like giving. Just be honest, just be yourself, and that's how you're supposed to write a Sephora product review. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.